In this video lesson, I will show you what is UK100 Lot Size Calculator. The link for the calculator will be below in the description, and you will have also an article that explains details how to use this calculator and also an example how to calculate the lot size based on the risk in percentage and also based on the stop loss in the number of pips. One thing to remember is this one: for the UK100, the contract size is defined with your broker. In this case, I will use one lot is equal to 1 unit of base currency, which means 1 pip will be equal to $0.01. Let me show you a little bit more details about the lot size calculator, and then we'll see an example. Here you have a field where you define the instrument. It is set to UK100. Then you have here a deposit currency, which is set to US dollar, and the reason is because in the trading platform I have a deposit currency set to US dollars. You have two fields here. First one is the open price and the second one is stop loss price. If you would like to open a trade, you put here the open price and also the stop loss price. But remember, there is an option that you can switch this one here. Click it, and instead of using open price and stop loss price, you can use a number of pips. I will use this one and put it to 100 pips as a stop loss. Then you have account balance. You can put any number here. I will use $10,000 because my trading account is close to $10,000. Then you have here a UK100 1 pip size that tells you at which decimal point in the UK100 price is 1 pip. It is on the second decimal point. So when you go to the trading platform, the current market price is 732.6.00. So when the second decimal point changes by 1, that will mean the price is changed by 1 pip. Then you have here a field where you enter the risk. I have put risk to 1%, but you can also change that to US dollar as a deposit currency, so you can put a risk in the currency. I will put this one in percentage. I like to use it. Then you have here a USD GBP price. This is additional variable used to calculate money risk in your deposit currency, which is US dollar. Remember that UK100 market price is in GBP. So we need to use additional variable to calculate the result in US dollars. Then you click calculate and you get here a result, but you have a lot size not defined. Click the question mark that tells you that you need to define how much one lot is equal in number of units. What is the contract size? You can see it here. First way how to find what is the contract size is to ask your broker for the UK100 for your trading account what is used. Second way you can use is go here to the market watch, click UK100 and click here specification. This will open a new window which will tell you a contract size is equal to 1 in this case. So enter the number 1 here. If you have any number here, simply change and put that number here. Click close and click calculate. Now you can get the lot size, also the trade size, position size, or the volume that you need to enter into the trade when opening to get the trade with $100 as a risk with a 100 pips stop loss. Let's open that trade. Put this one here, 79. Remember that you cannot use decimal point in this case. For example, let's put here 79.50. You can see it is immediately grayed out. That means you need to put a round number. I will put here 79. I will open pending order at the market price, which will be 7320, for example, 7320. Stop loss should be 100 pips less, 7319, and the take profit should be 100 pips more, 7321. Click place, and here the trade is. Now let's check here on the trading platform. The stop loss is set to 100 pips, and we can see that the profit will be minus 99.26. It is slightly different. It is not $100, and the reason is because I have rounded to this lot size. Now you can see how to use this lot size calculator for the UK100. Before opening an order, you can define what is necessary lot size needed to open the trade with the defined risk based on your account balance and also the number of pips for the stop loss. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment. I will try to answer your question as soon as possible. And if you like this video, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and happy trading!